Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to perform a timing based catch in Madden NFL 27. Here's exactly what you need to do. First, make sure in the catching zone, and once the ball is thrown, get ready to use the catch button. On PlayStation, press and hold the square button and you'll see a timing meter appear above your receiver. As the meter moves across the bar, watch for the green section and release the button when the meter reaches that area. The important part is your timing. You wanna release the button at the right moment before the ball actually reaches your receiver. If you time it correctly, you will complete the timing based catch. You can also use the triangle button instead of square depending on the catch option you are using. And if you are playing on Xbox, use the Y button to perform the catch. So press and hold the catch button, watch the timing meter and release it when it reaches the green section as the ball is coming toward your receiver. If timing based catching isn't working for you, you can adjust it from game settings, then game options, and under catching you can turn it on or off or choose the minimum throw distance for when it activates. And that's how you perform a timing based catch in Madden NFL 27. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.